Alright everyone, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to edit the Your Account page on our new e-commerce websites. And this page is a little more sensitive than other pages because of the way we built it. So make sure you follow closely and we'll learn how to edit this Your Account page without losing any features or causing any of the plugins to get messed up. So first let's just log in, of course, and you can do that through the normal screen or this login screen which you created. And now we have the page, and let's say we want to make some simple edits to the text up here. You want to change what one of these anchor text says. And the first thing you want to do before you make any changes to this page that we created together in my course or in the longer YouTube video is make a copy of the page. And the way to make an exact copy of it is to click Edit Page, not Edit with Visual Composer, but Edit Page. And then make sure you're looking at this screen. When you click Edit Page, you might get taken to the Visual tab, but you want to click the Text tab. And then just put your mouse anywhere, hit Control A, Control Copy. Now take this whole section you just copied and paste it into a blank text edit file. I have one right here, or maybe a blank note. This way, when we have this unchanged section of the code, if we mess up anything on the WordPress end, we can just paste this section back in and we'll have the page as it was before we made the changes. So this is our backup copy. Alright, now we can start making our edits. Let's go to the page. And again, we're going to change this link anchor text right here. So let's do it how we would on any other page. Let's click Edit with Visual Composer, which would be the normal way to edit this page. And I'm going to show you what can go wrong and also how to fix it in case something did get messed up on the Your Account page when you were editing it. So you just open that up in the front end or maybe in the back end, and you'd edit the text block. And you go to the text tab, and maybe you just want this to say edit instead of change. So we save it, close it, and update, and now we would be all good to go. But right away the text is starting to look different, and this little piece of shortcode popped out where we don't want it. If we view this site now and check out that page that we just updated, it's going to look crazy different. And we can see that some of the shortcodes are popping out, and we don't want that. The main thing that can go wrong when we edit this Your Account page the normal way is that the Hide This plugin we used will get messed up. And the shortcodes pop out, and when they pop out, they stop working, which means that if we went to this site in incognito, after making that edit, the Hide This part stops working. And the recommended features along with the Your Account bar start appearing, which we don't want. So if you make that mistake, the first thing you want to do is just click Edit Page again on the Your Account page. Get yourself back to this screen right here in the Text tab with all the code that makes up this page, and go ahead and paste in your backup code. Command A, Command Copy, and then back in WordPress, Command A, and then Command V for paste. And you might have it be Control if you're on a Windows computer. And then let's update to revert back to how we were before. View page. And we can see that the page looks normal now, and that's how to fix it if you edited this screen the normal way instead of the way we're about to do it now, which is the right way. The right way to edit this page is to go back to Edit Page. Alright? And if it helps, you can open the page in a new tab so you can edit and view side by side. And what we want to do now is just use this code screen. It might look weird and confusing at first, but this screen actually has a lot of rich text and information which we can just make little tweaks to change the page. For example, we can see that anchor text we want to change is right here in the area I'm highlighting, right in between the A and the bracket right here. So we can make that say edit and just update the coded area And then when we refresh, we can watch our site successfully change. Alright, and there it goes. In this section, you can also make slightly bigger changes too. Like you could change this shortcode right here for user field equals user login. If you wanted that to say someone's first name, for example, we can just change that to, instead of user underscore login, first underscore name, and then update. And now if your user, like myself right now, has a first name entered in their user info in WordPress, then that'll just say first name, which is pretty cool. And you can also make other changes, like to the color of this account info section, which is going to be right here where it says background color. And you can change that using a color wheel CSS. And you'll find a nice color wheel, and you can go ahead and select whatever color you want and copy it, paste it in, make sure to keep that nice pound sign. And there, my friends, you have it. So this is the recommended way for you to edit the Your Account page. And if you'd like to make larger edits, like add or remove entire sections, then just drop me a note in the comments and I'll help you out with that, or with any other questions you have. Remember, before you start editing, to of course make this backup section by just copying everything from the text tab and pasting it into a blank text edit or note on your computer. Alright, thanks for watching, good luck building, and I'll see you next time.